You need a trust if you're only passing down a house. It depends. The three options that you have is a joint tenants with rights of survivorship, a will, or a revocable trust. With joint tenants with rights of survivorship, you will co-own that property with another individual, and then you'll own it 50-50 with that. When you pass away, your half of the house will automatically pass down to the surviving co-owner, and it will avoid the probate process. With a will, you will give directions on how that property should be distributed out to your beneficiaries. It will go to them in a lump sum, so just when probate's over, it just goes directly to them. If you have multiple kids, it is their responsibility to figure out how to handle that property. So one child's going to want to sell it, one's going to want to rent it, one's going to want to live in it. Within each of those scenarios, one's going to have different expectations than the other. So you likely have a child who's more responsible than the other ones and one who's not so responsible, and they're going to have conflicts trying to figure out what to do with that property. Now, the other option is going to be a revocable trust. When you put your house inside the revocable trust, it's especially beneficial if you have multiple kids in one property. So you can have the trustee sell that house on behalf of your kids and then distribute out the proceeds from that sale out to your kids. That way, the kids are not responsible for figuring out what to do with that property. You are deciding what to do with that property, giving instructions to the trustee, and that trustee is executing those instructions, and then your kids don't have to worry about it. They don't have to have any conflicts. All they do is take the distributions from the proceeds of that sale. If you want help setting this up and you use one of our trusts, your assets will avoid the probate process, or we will do probate for free. Click link in the bio, fill out the form, and schedule a time to talk to some on our team.